wanting to write a story for so long. Try to write about it. Adventure. Once upon a time, there was a wild jungle, and all the jungle animals were all friends in the jungle together. There were monkeys and tigers and lions. They were all best friends. Then one day, a tiger named Wes betrayed all the other animals by eating their banquet they were going to have for harvest. He's a gluttonous tiger. He has no shame. He spread the food all over the best friend's animal's favorite hut in defiance. Nathan, the crazy chimpanzee, was particularly distraught. Michael, the friendly toucan, tried to calm him down with his eyes. Then they all got together in a committee meeting to try and decide what they should do about Wes the tiger. It was a serious business, news-like meeting. Votes were cast, and they all decided that they were going to force Wes to repent. Even if he didn't want to, and even if his teeth were still dirty after flossing. So they all encircled him. Wes, whose heart was previously made of stone, made an effort to fight them off, but eventually, he gave in. And he cried tears, so many tears, that flowed all over his fine pelt that he had just finished combing that morning. And then, after the sadness was over, they were all best friends, rolling around and playing together once more. Chapter 2. The next day, it was a bright and sunny day out. One of the best, brightest, and sunniest days the jungle had ever seen. And Sarah Beth, the funny lemur, was out eating berries and scratching and sniffing herself. Just like a lemur would. When, out from the shadows, a possible suitor by the name of Tyler, who is also a lemur, approached gallantly with full of chivalry, as much as a lemur could possess. He produced a piece of fruit. It was the biggest melon Sarah had ever seen. She swooned. Oh, how she swooned. She probably swooned for half an hour. As Tyler stood there holding the melon, still full of chivalry. Then they decided to cut it open, but they needed help from Nathan, the chimpanzee, and his opposable thumbs that he had worked with knives before. And he was his master chef of fruit and melons. And they cut up the fruit. In a montage of joy and fun. And as they sat and eat as much melon as each of them could hold, of course, with their various monkey stomachs was not much. Nathan could hold more because he was a bigger monkey, but that's aside from the point. The rest of the animals showed up and felt slighted that they did not get to share in the bountiful, huge, ginormous melon. Why should all the monkeys get the fruit? Asked the toucan. And Mariah, the lion, roared angrily. There was a tint of sadness to her roar, though, as she also felt slighted. Wes, the tiger, having just eaten, didn't really feel anything he was going to have after that. So then the monkeys, feeling embarrassed by their gluttony, decided to share the rest of the melon with the other animals. It was touching. Worship music played. Chapter 3. The final chapters. The jungle was in an upheaval as the monkeys were riding with the toucan. They were upset because Ralph Nader was unelected president. But why they were surprised, no one knows. And as they rided, they decided that they were going to calm down and just sit and think about the events. Then Wes the tiger showed up. Being politically savvy, he started to discuss such things with the monkeys and the toucan, who still thought he was a monkey. He explained to them the reasons why Ralph Nader was not and never will be president. Many varied reasons. And then Mariah the lion showed up. And she was confused because she didn't care about politics in the slightest. So once the monkeys' rage was calmed, they all got together with the other animals for one final roll-around play super fun dance.